if you guys need help setting up scalping strategies or anything like that, and you actually have a computer and want to get done, let us know. I'm going to post this on YouTube as well, so you guys can see exactly how I'm trading, what I'm trading. And if you want that same setup, we can get you locked in. Just let us know. It's called Apex. I got a discount code that'll get you 80% off to help you get started on your accounts. So overall,
Yeah,
good stuff.
if you want to trade bigger, I mean, did you explain what that is? What Apex is?
Um, so sort of right. Apex is literally you are paying, let's say, 30 to 40 bucks to use other people's money. It's a funded trader. So if you pay 30 bucks and you pay it for a $50,000 account, what they do is they set you up on a $50,000 demo account, and you have to hit a profit goal. And for that 50,000, your goal is $3,000. Once you pass that $3,000, you pay an extra like $100 to get access to a legitimate 50,000, and any profit you make for the first $25,000, you keep 100% of it, and you get paid out 2 times per month. So but like twice a month, and then after the first $25,000 that you make, then you split your profits 90-10. So literally you keep 90% of your profits, and you're just using their capital, their funds. As long as your risk reward ratio is set, you guys can be literally making and paying yourself out $5,000, $6,000 a month, and it only costs you $30, $130 total to get access to that. So if you want to know how to set Apex up, let me know, and we'll get it rocking.